Hi, my name is Jesseline, and we are going to talk about how to multiply binomials. And we are going to use what we call the FOIL system. FOIL, like aluminum foil, F-O-I-L. So I'm going to write down what these stand for on my board here. So F stands for the first term. O stands for the outer term. I stands for the inner term, and L stands for the last term. Okay, so here, FOIL. So F stands for first term, O stands for outer term, I stands for inner term, and L stands for last term. And so I'll show you what that means here in just a minute. Let's do an example. So F is the first term in the binomials. So the first term in this one's y, the first term in that one is y too. So we do y times y because we're multiplying them together. So y times y, if you know the exponent property rule. If you don't, go and watch the exponent property rule video. Y times y, we add the exponents. They each have a 1 as an exponent because if it's not there, it's understood as 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have y to the squared, y squared. O is the outer terms. Now we have to look at the operation that's in front of each number to determine if it's positive or negative. So the outer terms of the binomials, so the outer term, if we think of like this is the outside, that's the inside, so the outer term would be y and 7. So y and 7. So y times a positive y times a positive 7, because that's positive, is a positive 7y. So plus 7y. And then the inner terms, if we think about outer, the inner terms are 3 and y. So 3 times y is 3y, and they're both positive. It's positive 3, and a positive y, so both positive. And then L, the last terms of each binomial, is 3 and 7. So 3 times 7, because it's positive 3, positive 7, and that's a positive 21. In this case, you should be able to combine your middle terms when you do FOIL. So we combine these. Again, we want to take the operation in front. So positive 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So that's a positive 10. So 10y plus 21. So y squared plus 10y plus 21. And this is how you multiply using FOIL. Let's do another one. We'll do one more. (3x minus 5) and 5x plus 2. So we're going to FOIL it again. So first term of each binomial, 3x and 5x. It's a positive 3x and a positive 5x. So 3 times 5 is 15. Then x times x is x squared. So 15x squared. The next terms are the outer terms. So that would be 3x and a positive 2. So 3x times a positive 2 is a positive 6x, because 3 times 2 is 6. And we bring that x with us. And then inner terms. Inner terms are 5 and 5x. So if you notice, it's a negative 5 and a positive 5x. So negative 5 times a positive 5 is a negative 25. And then we bring the x down. So we just say minus 25x because it's a negative 25. So minus 25x. And then the last terms, 5 and 2, a negative 5 and a positive 2 is a negative 10. So we're just going to say subtract 10. And again, we should be able to combine those middle terms. We have a plus 6x minus 25. So that is a positive 6 minus 25. And a positive 6 minus 25 is a negative 19. So we would do 15x, negative 19 would be just minus 19x, and then we have our minus 10. So 15x squared minus 19x minus 10, and that is how you use the FOIL system. Thank you for watching.